another vlog. Today I am wearing my really romper and everything because we are going to Central Park for a scavenger hunt. Let's hope it's good. Yeah, we are in Central Park. I was thinking it's a scavenger hunt, right? I was thinking, I'm like, what should I wear that would not look stupid? Because I've never done one in my life. Aishi, you have a fucking utility romper. Wear that. And I'm like, okay. And so I wore that.
The meeting spot for my scavenger hunt was Bethesda Fountain, and you enter it by 72nd Street and on Terrace Drive. The first thing is the Bethesda Terrace, and then you go inside the Bethesda Terrace Arcade, and there you see wonderful opportunities for a perfect photograph because it opens up to not only the Bethesda Fountain but to the stairs that you see in Gossip Girl. This is the place where Serena was reading a book, and inside the Bethesda Arcade on that day there was a music video being filmed. There's always a musician who's playing something. Music is literally always heard in this area. It's also the place where Blair and Chuck got married. One feature that a lot of people would miss is watching the Minton tiles on the ceiling of the Bethesda Terrace Arcade. Usually you'll walk through it, but I would really suggest you to take a moment and see this because these tiles are more than 15,000 colorful patterns from Europe's famous Minton tiles, and they were usually used as a flooring in the cathedrals in Europe, but here they're used in the ceiling.
So I hate when an organizer of something is not on time, and it sucks. I'm waiting here since the past 15-20 minutes and nobody has turned up. I called the company and they said that they'll be here. So I'm waiting. Wait for like 2:30ish. If nobody turns up, then you know.
So our event got cancelled, but that's okay because there is a lot to do in Central Park. So right now I am at the Bethesda Terrace, and behind me you can see the Bethesda Fountain, and there is just so less time left for summer to make the most of it. I'm just gonna go get a city bike, find a shade and just sit and relax and chill, listen to music and just enjoy whatever time we have left of summer. We're gonna go grab something to eat because I'm really very hungry. So we'll go get something to eat, and I'm just not wearing a mask, but it's right here. I'm just not wearing a mask right now because there's literally nobody around me, like even for like 10 feet apart there's nobody around me. That's why I'm not wearing a mask, but make sure to wear a mask whenever you go out.
So let's go.
Nobody around me, and this feels so good. This is my view, and sitting and just like gonna take it all in. I'm having a caprese tartine and coffee. Forgot to put sugar. The location I'm sitting right now is near 73rd and 74th Street. It's exactly opposite to the Model Boat Pond. If you don't know what the Model Boat Pond is, you guys are really missing out on Stuart Little. Fun fact, if you guys really like Alice in Wonderland, there's a beautiful statue just 2 minutes across the pond, so I would definitely suggest you guys to view it. And I'm gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy the sound of nature. Instead of biking Central Park, I decided to bike from Central Park towards our Roosevelt tram, which is where I'm going next.
Roosevelt Island, and then we'll take our normal ferry and then go to Brooklyn Bridge.
We are here taking the Roosevelt Island tram from 59th Street between 2nd and 3rd Avenue. This tram travels from New York City to Roosevelt Island and back from Roosevelt Island to New York City. Only costs $2.25, which is the normal subway tariff, and you can use the subway card. Takes you straight to Roosevelt Island. Interesting fact that Roosevelt Island is leased to New York State from New York City for a total of 99 years, and it is built as if no car or no automobile was ever said to be on that island. right, you have a Roosevelt Island tram that's coming, and I'm saying hi to it. You might have seen this tram in the movie Spider-Man 1 and also seen Roosevelt Island in Ninja Turtles movie. I absolutely love this breathtaking view of Roosevelt Island. On your right, you have the Queensboro Bridge, which goes straight from New York City to Queens. I am going towards Roosevelt Island because I'm going to take the ferry from Roosevelt Island back to the city. But you can definitely take the tram both ways. First to go to Roosevelt Island and to come back to New York City. They say that you have the best views of New York City when you come back on your way. You see how lush and green Roosevelt Island is. You can also take the subway, which costs the same, but I would really advise you to take the tram because you will never get these views of New York City over the East River, and it's absolutely worth taking the tram as we go into Roosevelt Island. It's also America's first aerial trans system, which goes to 150 feet above sea level.
So usually what people do is take the Roosevelt tram back to the city, but we not like anybody else, so we are gonna take the ferry. This is Roosevelt Island. It's beautiful. It just feels like Newport in Jersey City. It's like its own little island from Manhattan, and the prices are beautiful too. If you want to live here, it's beautiful. Prices are crazy too. So we are gonna go now to the ferry, which not a lot of people know. City bikes again, you can bike the entire Roosevelt Island.
This is New York's most well-kept secret because this is just a recent addition to New York's transportation. It's the NYC ferry that goes over the entire East River from Roosevelt Island to Brooklyn to Queens, and this is like the best way to see New York if it is for your first time you're visiting. And again, the ferry costs same as subway. You can just use it, but you have to buy a ticket at the ferry booths. And for me, honestly, this is like the best way to see a sunset or a sunrise or just go around in New York City.
Like the cutest thing ever. Remember, these 6 feet gotta be this far.
Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed underground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no.
New York is the most prettiest at night, and it's the most alive at night, I feel, with the city skylights all lit, with the city lit, you lit, me lit. This was the biggest secret that I was talking about. Even New Yorkers don't know about this NYC ferry, but this is the biggest secret, and I definitely would suggest you, if you guys are ever gonna come to New York City, to make sure to use the ferry. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss videos from me, more about New York City, NYC vlogs, and a lot of content coming about New York. So don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're the first person to see it, and I will love if you guys subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, take care. Bye.